Timothy, can you can you fix this? I can't figure out how to start. How do I like get sound on here?
They're just not saying anything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're not talking yet. I mean, we're waiting for people to still come in the room. Hopefully you can hear that. Oh, great to see where everybody's from.
India, I saw.
Yeah, Chicago, Daly City, right on Long Beach, Cupertino.
And California represents North Carolina, I saw.
Yeah. All right, we're still having people join through the waiting room, so we'll just give one more minute. But definitely I want to welcome everybody to joining us today. We're super excited to see so many people here.
Yeah, I'm seeing 206 people logged in today.
Great.
That's amazing. Welcome, everyone.
Mountain House, Manteca, Gilroy, San Mateo, San Jose, Bakersfield. Yeah, Oakland. All right, so I think we should go ahead and get started to make the best use of everyone's time. So I want to thank everybody for joining us today. I have Ginny Rhee, who's our Associate Dean for Undergraduate Student Programs and Student Success. And then my name is Cheryl Ehrman, and I'm the Dean of the Davidson College of Engineering. So what I'd like to do is just give a little bit of overview about who we are. And then Ginny will talk a little bit more specifically about student programming outside of the classroom, and then we'll be able to do some questions. So outside the state and even outside a little folks from outside the country. So we are the Davidson College of Engineering at San Jose State. San Jose State is one of the oldest public institutions in the West. We're really proud of our history. So the campus has been in existence since 1857. And then our college itself, that was started just 75 years ago. This is our 75th anniversary. So right after World War II, they started the College of Engineering in some, actually in Quonset huts, and we started serving the regional needs for engineering in Silicon Valley before it became Silicon Valley. We're really proud of that. According to US News and World Report, we are the third ranked College of Engineering in the nation when it comes to schools that offer the bachelor and master's degrees, public universities. So another thing that we're really proud of. The California schools really represent well in that list, especially our Cal States. And just a little bit about who we are as a college. So we're called the Davidson College of Engineering. And so I just want to make note that the person who gave us the gift that enabled us to be called the Davidson College his name was Chuck Davidson. And he recently passed about 10 days ago. He was 90 years old. But I just want to describe a little bit about his life, because I think that that's really emblematic of who we are. So like many of us in California, Chuck came to California from somewhere else. And so he emigrated, an internal migrant, to California from Oklahoma. And then he came not too long after the college started and got a degree in civil engineering, and he worked his way through school. And I think that many of our students also do a similar thing. We're really proud that our students are able to graduate with much less debt than the national average. But there's also something that's really important. So if you're the kind of student that does need to have a job in order to pay for your schooling, you're actually with the majority of our students, and it's something that's really highly valued. So I think that everybody in our college brings things to your engineering education that are going to come from your experience. And so in Chuck's life, over his career, he saw needs in the community that arose because of his lived experience. And so over his lifetime, he was a big champion of affordable housing. As a civil engineer, he's part of the team of engineers that actually literally built Silicon Valley, where we live and where we work. And I think that for our students, whether it's, you've worked as a home health aide, or you're working in the food service industry, or agriculture, or food processing, or construction, or auto repair, whatever it is, that experience you bring to your time at San Jose State, combined with other experiences you might have had before, or you will have while you're here, like being parts of student clubs and being part of a robotics team, for example. And it all comes together with the curriculum to produce students that I think are the best engineers in the nation. So I'm really proud of our students. So a little bit about our programs. We have 13 undergraduate programs and then 13 graduate programs. So if you're interested in staying on for masters, we're working on ways to do that more efficiently with what we call 4+1 programs. And then we have about 4,500 engineering undergraduate students. We're the second largest college of engineering in the state of California. And then how we've been, I'll just say a couple words about how we've been trying to manage this past year, this really interesting and challenging year. So we've been able to offer since fall. So in spring, everybody went on lockdown and everything converted to fully online. But in fall, we were able to offer a limited number of in-person and hybrid courses. And so that meant that 1,200 or so of our students were actually signed up for some kind of hybrid or in-person course, which was great. We had to do this in compliance with all of the public health measures for the County of Santa Clara and the state of California. But we're really proud of how we've managed our way through that. So, staying out of the news because of outbreaks on the academic side of the house has been really important. Your safety is paramount to us. But we don't want that to come at the expense of losing out on the hands-on education that we offer. And so we were able to have participation of students where it might be alternate weeks in the lab in order to keep the density of students in the classroom to where we needed to be as safe as we can. And then we invested a lot of funds into take-home equipment for students. And so if you were in an electrical engineering lab, you might come to campus, or if you're out of the area, have a kit shipped to you that you can use to work on projects outside of the classroom. So looking ahead to fall, we're planning for more in-person and hybrid classes and labs especially, so that we can continue to grow as long as we're permitted by the county, which, for us, it looks relatively positive right now, so that we can just continue having the great hands-on education that we're known for. So that's what I wanted to share about the college. I'm going to turn it over to Associate Dean Rhee to talk about some student programming that we have.
Okay, thanks, Cheryl. Yeah, I'll just talk to you very briefly about some of the extracurricular activities that we have in our college. And by the way, I am getting the message that my internet is unstable. So if for some reason I freeze or drop off, I'll come back as soon as I can. So anyway, the extracurricular activities are there, as Cheryl mentioned, basically to engage your mind and to build community. Also, many clubs help connect you to industry and to the profession. So we highly advise that you engage in these when you're here. We know from our senior exit surveys that about 75% of our undergrads have been involved in some student club before they graduate from here. And while you don't want to sign up for so many extracurricular activities that it takes time away from your studies and takes time away that you need to do well in your classes, but research shows that if you're involved in something that you're passionate about, something that you're interested in, it helps you do better in school, and they both feed on each other. And you're going to meet other people who have the same interests as you and the same passions as you. It's definitely worth it for those reasons. We have over 60 student clubs in our college. We have all sorts of different clubs, so you're guaranteed to be able to find one that is interesting to you. We have disciplinary professional clubs in every department. So no matter what your major is, we have a professional club that can connect you to the industry and to the profession of working professionals in your field. We have project and competition clubs. So for example, our Formula One team always places nationally, and this is a multidisciplinary project club. We have the Concrete Canoe Club. We do the design, build, fly, and new competitions pop up every year. We have hackathons here, so there's something for everyone there too, if that is what you're interested in. We also have honor societies. So we have Tau Beta Pi here, which is an engineering honor society, and we have disciplinary specific honor societies as well. And then last but not least, we have diversity and affinity clubs. So for example, we have BASE for, can't remember exactly what it stands for, Black American Scientists and Engineers, something like that. SOLES for Latino Hispanic students. We have SWE, Society of Women Engineers, AOE, which is our Women Engineering Sorority, and OSTEM. We also have MESA Engineering Program. How many of you were involved in MESA in high school or community college? Go ahead and type it in the chat if you like. Anyway, we have the opportunity for you to continue that activity here when you come to San Jose State. And even if you weren't involved, you can go check it out. There is a session given by our MESA Engineering Program right after this session at 12:30, and I would highly recommend that you go check it out. We do offer peer mentoring through that program. There are opportunities to network both with among your classmates and also within industry. There are study groups, career advising, and lots of good programming in that organization. We also have the Engineering Student Success Center, and there are going to be some advising sessions later on in this orientation week. So please drop by and give them a visit. We just built a brand new office suite for our advising center. So that will be something nice that you guys can make use of when you come here. They do guided pathways advising, general education advising, the online graduation, and they are just a go-to center when you have any questions about life at San Jose State. We have the Engineering Ambassador Program, which hires a number of student assistants every year, and they help us do outreach to the local high schools and community colleges. And they also do the Science Fair Mentoring Program with our local high school district, which is super fun for both parties. We have the Silicon Valley Engineering Scholarships, both for new students and for continuing students. So keep your eyes open for that. We are in the process of evaluating applications right now. So if you've applied, good luck. If you haven't applied, think about applying for a continuing student scholarship when you get here. Let's see, we're going to have the Exceed Summer Bridge program this summer. Exceed stands for Excellence in Your Engineering Education. And it's a 2-week program. It is going to be virtual again this year. So if you sign that intent to enroll commitment at San Jose State, we will be sending you messaging on that program if you want to participate. And last but not least, let me just quickly mention some of our flagship events. We have the Conference on Engineering Diversity. We have the Women in Engineering Conference, which we just finished. We brand it using fresh orchids, and that's why I have my backdrop here. These are leftover from the conference, which we just recently held. And then, of course, we have our awards banquet in the spring with a number of faculty and student awards there. So let me just stop there, and we can open up for Q&A at this point.
Yeah, so we can take questions either in the chat, or if you want to raise your hand, we'll be able to call on you.
Oh, I see a question in the chat. It says, is there an engineering boot camp in the summer? Okay, I'll take that. We actually have a programming boot camp called CSSI. It's sponsored by Google. So I think we sent out information on that program, and we've been recruiting into that program. So if you're interested in that, please give it a look.
Okay, yeah, so I see a question about our faculty-student ratio and the average engineering class size. So I think our student-to-faculty ratio is something like 27:1 or around there. I think Jenny can correct me if I'm wrong for our undergraduate studies.
It varies by department, but that sounds right. Yeah, on average.
Yeah, so I can talk a little bit about our faculty. So we have around 90 tenure and tenure track faculty. So these are full-time faculty who do some combination of research and teaching. And then we have around 170 lecturer faculty. And so our lecturer faculty might teach one course a year. They might teach 3 classes per semester. And what's really special about our lecturer faculty is that they're usually coming from industry. So they're either directly coming at the end of their workday, they come over and teach a class, so they bring their industry knowledge right into the classroom, or they're recently retired. So we have a really nice blend of folks that instruct. Right now, questions are coming in really fast. How hard is it to get the classes engineers need? So registering for an early Spartan camp, I think Jenny can talk about the orientation. So we do prioritize what are called critical path classes, so that if you need a specific class so that you can stay on your graduation path, we do our best to make sure that we've got open seats available. So that's really, really important to us.
Okay, and let me talk about orientations a little bit briefly this summer. We're going to try a slightly new process this year where you do this math placement process between May and the middle of June. So once you complete that, we should be able to determine which math class you belong in, and we are going to assign that to you automatically. In addition, we're going to put you in one additional class. It's either going to be one of the general education classes you need, or it's going to be our Intro to Engineering class, which is required for almost every major. So that's going to be the plan for freshmen, at least, coming in. Transfer students, you're going to get transfer advising in May. So keep your eyes open for those dates and sign up for one that works for you. You're going to get direct one-on-one advising with somebody in your department so that you can start registering for classes as soon as you're able. I think in middle of June, that should open up.
Great, thanks, Jenny. And I also just want to make a point about transfer students. So we are at any given point, the new batch of students coming in, it's half transfer students around and half freshmen. So if you're a transfer student, you're in good company. So we love transfer students. There's a question about if you're living close to campus. I also live about 15 minutes from campus, but I can't make a statement. That's actually a student affairs question about how impacted our dormitories might be. So I would urge you to direct that question there. For fall, we actually did have space in the dorms, but this was a very unusual fall. So I can't make any speculation about how this next fall is going to look. And then engineering lab classes will be happening on campus in the fall. So we are prioritizing getting the labs in either an in-person or a hybrid mode. So by hybrid, that means that you may not come every week, but maybe you come every other week. So a question about changing your major inside the college. Jenny, do you want to give that one?
Yeah, I'll take that one. So it depends which direction you're going. As you might have noticed, the impaction level varies from program to program, and some majors are easier or harder to get into. So if you're going from a less impacted major to a more impacted major, I would say that direction is pretty difficult, but not impossible. We definitely have a process for doing that. But if you're going from a more impacted major, let's say like computer engineering or mechanical engineering, to a different major, it tends to be easier in that direction.
Yeah, and I would just, I'll just say if you're undecided in some sense, just be open. So we have majors that students may not know about from high school or from community college. One of those is industrial and systems engineering. That's a great major. Materials engineering. So that's more common at the graduate level. It's less common at the undergraduate level. And that's an area they're not our most impacted programs. And you can do some really fun things in those programs.
Yeah, I agree, especially given our location. I mean, the semiconductor manufacturing industry hires tons of materials engineering, and that industrial technology major. Well, actually, we are undergoing a name change in that program to engineering technology is very much in demand as well.
Okay, great. All right, so for engineering scholarships, if you've applied, we haven't made decisions on those, and so that would be just please be patient. We'll get the decisions out soon. All right, and then the next question, this is an important one. So would it be possible to stay home and still be able to take all the required classes? So we had been accommodating students that were out of area because we had such a small number of classes that were in person or hybrid over this year. But if you're signed up for an in-person or hybrid course or courses in the coming semester, you are going to be expected to be there. So do keep this in mind. So that's the point of having them in person or hybrid, is to be able to give you that experience. And so now that we're going to be able to offer more of them, we do have an expectation that people will be able to attend unless you've got a medical reason why you can't. Let's see, a question about the Extra program, Janine?
Yeah, I can take that one. And I'm hearing some background noise, so maybe somebody could mute their microphone if you accidentally have it on. So are we automatically registered for the Exceed summer program if we complete intent to enroll? Sorry, are you all hearing that echo? Lisa or Sanaa, could you mute everybody?
Yeah, working on it.
Thank you. No, you are not automatically registered in Exceed. We will send out the interest forms right after the intent to enroll deadline on May 1st. We have space to take 70 freshmen and 70 transfer students. So we definitely can't take everyone. So please do keep your eyes open for that if you are interested in that. Oh, and I'll take the next question too. I received something about the CEL program and was just wondering if you could tell me more about it. CEL, yeah, that stands for Community Engineering, Living and Learning, I believe. And it's basically 2 floors in freshman housing that is devoted to engineering majors. So that means all 70 or 80 people on these 2 floors are going to be in some engineering major, and there is some programming for you. For example, there are study nights, and I think there are social events too. And it's just a good way to get to know other people in the college. I looked at their webpage recently, and there isn't a lot of information this year. So I don't know if they're still working through their programming, but it looks like they are offering that opportunity if you are interested in living with others.
Okay, I'm trying to go through. Somebody had asked if we have tours of the school. So we don't have live in-person tours, but we've got live virtual tours. So let me drop that link in the chat. I think that's a little bit better than just watching a static video, so you can have more interactions that way. Let's see.
I see a question that says, are there opportunities to engage in research with professors? Yes, I would say so. And too bad Xiao's not here, since she is the Associate Dean for Graduate Studies and Research. I think we have a number of professors who have research opportunities for undergraduates and for master's students. And then I think there might be some college funding opportunities for small research projects. Maybe you can elaborate on that, Cheryl?
Sure. Yeah. So through support from our endowment, our Davidson endowment, we have what are called Davidson Scholars. And so students can write, you work together with a faculty member and write a small research proposal for a semester project or a summer project. And then you can get paid to work on the research project with a professor.
Okay. How many engineering students did San Jose State accept for fall of 2021? Let's see, I don't know the exact number, but we are expecting 800 new freshmen and about 650 transfer students. So we probably accepted 3 to 4 times that number.
Yeah. Again, on the difficulty of getting engineering classes, our intent is to prioritize seats for students who need classes to graduate. So for the most part, students are able to get those classes. I think like most universities, if there's a super popular elective that's an option, but it's not required for graduation, we can't guarantee seats in those elective courses. Oh, here's a great question about the machine shops. Yeah, so we have machine shops. We have several student machine shops, and then we have a central shop that has some more sophisticated equipment. So they are actually open now. we can't have the same number of students that would be in them under pre-pandemic conditions. Yeah, so the number of students that is in them at any given time is reduced, but they are definitely open. If you're in mechanical engineering, for example, it's required that you take a machine shop safety course. So everybody will get time in the machine shops in that major. Yeah, there's a question here if somebody is coming in as an undeclared student. This is also a transfer major question, but it's for transferring from another part of campus. So Ginny, do you want to take that one?
Sure. So if you're a freshman coming in as undeclared, I would definitely recommend that you come to the engineering orientation if you can. I don't know how that is going to work, but give me an email if you are in that situation and I'll try to steer you in the right direction, or go visit the Engineering Student Success Center. You definitely want to start taking that engineering study plan right away, because you're not going to be able to apply to change into one of our majors until that is done. So you don't want to waste any semesters. If you are coming in undeclared as a transfer student, which I think is more unusual, I would say same advice. Try to get signed up with one of the transfer advisors during those May advising dates, just so that you know which classes you should be taking if you were in that major, just so that you don't lose extra semesters. Our curriculum is very prerequisite driven. We have very long prerequisite chains. So sometimes it means if you don't take the classes you were supposed to be taking in a certain semester, it's easy to fall behind.
All right, yeah, Ginny, do you want to take the next one about if you have one engineering class left? And then would you take that here or do later in a community college? I think this would be a lower division engineering class.
Yeah, community college offers lower division. So yeah, I would just visit the graduation specialist in our Engineering Student Success Center, and they should be able to help you and give you the best advice possible.
Okay, yeah, so the next question about priority seating for veterans, the answer to that would be, I think, is no, but we do have a Veterans Resource Center. And so there is definitely support and advising and also community. So you would be able to meet veterans from your own major and lots of other majors. Engineering is a really popular major for our students who are coming as veterans of our military. So welcome. All right, another question is a double major outside of your college, i.e. business. So that would be particularly challenging. So engineering tends to fill up the 120 degrees for the major without, there's no freedom and flexibility there between the engineering and the general education courses, but we have a program for you that you might want to check out, which is called General Engineering, and it's soon to be renamed Interdisciplinary Engineering. And so in that case, you essentially have two mini majors within one major. So you would do a core engineering first 4 semesters or your lower division, and then you could choose. So you could choose to have electrical engineering and business be your 2 specialization areas. And so then you would take half EE and half business.
Oh, Cheryl, you're on mute.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm trying to answer that. All right. Maybe I didn't even answer the veterans question then either.
No, we heard that. It was just the very end.
Okay, all right.
And so I'll just add, yeah, that our engineering technology majors all require a business minor as well. A minor requires 12 degrees or 12 units outside of your degree, whereas a second major requires 36 units. So a minor is much more doable than a second major.
Yeah, so again, consider interdisciplinary engineering, which is currently called general engineering, or our engineering technology programs. All right, and then there's a question about, does this apply to transfer students? I'm not sure what the question is. So maybe Bianca, if you could put the specific question about transfer students, let us know. And then the math placement, is this for freshmen or transfers? So it's for freshmen. So if you're a transfer student, we know what college level mathematics you've had. And so the freshman students, we're not sure as much because you're coming from high school, and we want to figure out, are you going to be in the right, either a pre-calculus class or a calculus class, or a kind of preparation for pre-calc class. We need to know that. Let's see. How many students are in biomedical engineering? I think there are around 350 total students.
That sounds right, yeah.
Yeah. Do AP exams count for elective credits. So I think for general engineering, that's definitely not general education, your AP credits will count towards some of those requirements. And so it's important to just look at the mapping to see which ones will count.
Yeah, but probably not for elective credit.
Yeah, not engineering electives.
Yeah, we'd like you to take upper division engineering classes for those electives.
All right, so which industries hire San Jose State engineers? So that's basically every industry that has, yeah, so we are the #1 supplier of engineers into Silicon Valley, but also into other parts of the state. And presumably we've got, we've got students that get hired and they'll end up, for example, we have one of our alums from computer engineering and he lives in the New York area working for Google in New York City. So they're lots of different places are hiring our students. Is it hard to get internships? So I think that students do need to be proactive about looking for internships. We have a great career center. Companies are running information sessions on a regular basis. We've been doing it remotely, but students also need to make sure that they're going to info sessions, that they're going to student club networking opportunities and all of that so that they can get out there and also have a chance to meet people. Our alums, which we're hoping a lot of you will end up coming to our program and being our alums, are huge champions of us at their companies that they work for. So, which is really great. So a lot of times we'll get connections made directly to either us or to our career center. So they say they're looking for engineers and they know they want more people from San Jose State.
Yeah, and I'll just say that our career center liaison has office hours in our engineering student success center. So that's another convenient option for you to go make an appointment and they can help you get set up in our system.
Okay, great. Yeah, so a question about early college program. And so by this, I'm thinking this means the programs where you're a high school student, but you can take classes at your community college that give you college credit. So these are really great if you do have that available to you. So I think that this, and then the other way to do this is with the AP classes. So it allows you to get the college credits. And so what that does is it frees up space on your schedule so that you might be able to get a quicker time to graduation. There might be an easier path to doing a minor. There are definite benefits to early college programs. So yeah, so how often do engineering majors graduate in 4 years? So this is a great question. There's a little bit of a variation major to major. And I think our current 4-year graduation rate, and Ginny can jump in if I'm wrong, is around 21 or 22% for the college. Does that sound right?
That sounds right, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I think it has more, yeah, it has more to do with what math you place into when you come in. Because as I mentioned, it is very prerequisite driven and it starts with calculus.
Yeah, so right. So if students come in and they're placing into pre-calculus in that first semester, then that makes it more challenging to get out in 4 years because of the prerequisite chains. So the important things there are to be open to taking maybe math classes at your community college to catch up in the summer. And then the other aspect around our 4-year graduation rate is has to do with the fact that so many of our students are working. And so the challenges associated with taking 15 units and working part-time jobs, if that is something that you need to do, it makes it really challenging for students to be able to do all of that and get out in the 4 years. On the flip side, we don't really have any of our employers asking us, or even asking our students when they interview for jobs, did you graduate in 4 years? So, if you're graduating and you've got work experience, that together is really valuable to employers, and the employers know to look for our students because either they're just part-time job experience or some technical internships, or even during the academic year, technical internships. Those are really valuable for our employers.
Yeah, and I'll just add that we've been working really hard to clear any bottlenecks that exist on the San Jose State side if you want to or need to graduate in 4 years. And our 4-year graduation rates are on the upswing. So maybe by the time you graduate, it'll be even higher than that.
Yeah.
And our 6-year graduation rate is quite good. It's also increasing.
Okay, so a question again about incoming freshmen to change majors. So we did address this earlier, but maybe folks are still coming in late, it looks like. So again, it depends on what major you want to go to. So if the major is really impacted, like computer engineering, mechanical or software engineering, it's more challenging. If the major is not as impacted, like engineering technology or industrial and systems engineering, it's a little bit easier. And so if you see majors that are unfamiliar to you, like materials engineering or industrial and systems engineering, you might want to have a look. So just for the flexibility. I think ISE is an awesome, well-rounded major, especially if people are interested in some combination of computer programming and software engineering and data. And then they also are the folks along with mechanical engineering that are looking into robotics and automation. So lots of great discovery majors there.
Let's see, as a dual enrollment student, if you have college credit in, for example, Calculus 2, will I still need to take the math placement? No. So if you have the community college equivalent for either pre-calculus, Calc 1 or Calc 2, or you have like the IB credit, I think, is that what you're asking about? Please contact your advisor. You'll find out who your advisor is as soon as you sign that intent to enroll form. Also, if you have AP credit already in calculus, either the AB or the BC test, please contact your advisor. I mean, if you're still planning to take the test and you're not going to get your scores until July 15th, we still recommend that you do take the test, just in case the score doesn't come out the way that you plan. But if you already have it in hand, then please let us know.
Okay, yeah, great. So that takes care of the question about AP calculus exams on June 9th. Yeah, so definitely, please try to do our pre-calculus proficiency process. And, again, transfer students will get introduced to the advisor when you sign the intent to enroll. All right.
I've already taken intro to engineering. Okay. I'm assuming this was taken at a community college, since that is the only articulation that I know about. Yeah, if you already have credit, we're not going to put you in that intro to engineering class. We'll probably put you in a general education class instead for that second class.
Okay, so there's a couple questions around aviation. So our aviation program is alive and well. So that's if anybody's following the discussions around Reed Hillview Airport. I grew up in San Jose, and they've been talking about the airport my whole entire lifetime. But we love our aviation program. It really meets a niche industry need. We are in the provisional Part 141 certificate. And so we're trying to get all the way through that certification process. And so, yeah, at this point, I can't really address that specific question about the extra hours eligible, but I would say please attend the aviation programs orientation and direct that question to them. But yeah, so our aviation program, again, alive and well, one of the only public aviation programs on the West Coast.
Let me take that Exceed question. It says, my high school graduation is on the same day as the start of the Exceed program. Yeah, you can join the program a day later. If you join that program, just let us know beforehand so that we can give you the materials so that you can catch up.
Okay, all right. So again, lots of questions about switching majors. I'm a chemical engineer, so if you're a chemical engineer, I would just say give it a chance. Chemistry is awesome. There's so many different things you can do. And again, the more impacted majors are going to be more difficult to switch into. And you may want to look at. We actually have Oscar Killis put a great pitch in for the materials engineering program. So if he's one of our materials professors, so if you're interested in 3D printing, electronics manufacturing, batteries, tissue engineering, all that stuff. He's got the materials program has a session at 12:30. How many classes are taken per semester? For a 4-year plan, students would want to take 15 credits per semester, and then also be mindful to follow the prerequisites that are required at each step. For engineers, again, the most important thing if you're a freshman is calculus. And then if you're a transfer student, there's a sequence of the upper division courses in your major. And there's depending on what community college you were at, there may be some issues around whether the courses were available at the community college. So it's important to meet with your advisor as a transfer student to try to plan that out. But the 15 credits would translate to roughly 5 courses. There's some that are more than 3 credits per course and some that are less sometimes.
Let's see. do we need to accept our admittance before transfer advising, I'm assuming, or can we wait until after transfer advising to accept our admittance? So I think the deadline to accept your admittance is May 1st, and the transfer advising happens after that. So that would be the natural sequence of events. And switching from computer engineering to software engineering, yeah, that should be pretty straightforward.
Okay, somebody's asking a question about the industrial technology concentration in computer network systems management. So I would definitely advise you to go to that session. But it is a really neat program. And so if you think about where what the students learn, so in that case, they're learning the Cisco network systems curriculum as part of your regular 4-year degree. And then you also have the general education courses and some other engineering courses, and then the business minor. And so it prepares you to be the person doing the design and even installation of network systems in the workplace. So it's a really neat major that's a nice, has a nice applied focus.
Let's see, a bunch of questions on when the course sign-up date is after completing the intent to enroll. Will we get an email? Yes. So if you do sign the intent to enroll, you will get further instructions at that point. So let me just leave it at that.
Okay, yeah. So a question about hands-on experience opportunities. So again, we did talk a little bit about students doing research projects, and then we have just an inordinately high number of hands-on classes in the curriculum. So this is one thing I think is just really neat. So other universities, you know, put a focus on, they want to have students get a great theoretical base, and we have good theory in our courses as well. But we just try to keep as many labs in there as we can. So we have those experiences within the curriculum. And then we have really great opportunities through student club contest teams to have students do hands-on experience there. And then we have lots of opportunities for students to interact when industry is looking to recruit people for internships. And so then you can do internships in your field. One thing we are trying to grow, and we have examples of this, for example, with VMware and with NASA, our recent newer ones, are programs where industry, because we have so many companies close by, they think about hiring a student in the summer for a technical internship and then just continuing them on a part-time basis through the year. An example of a long-standing program that we've run with Jabil Manufacturing down in South San Jose is a really good one. And so students will start and then they'll just continue working on a part-time basis. And so, you know, if you needed to work in college, you know, you could swap out the job you had before with the job you have at Jabil and just keep working. The newer ones, again, are VMware and NASA. All right, so gender ratio. So this really depends on the major, and you know, here we are, Ginny and I, we could talk about this. So we just went through numbers with mechanical engineering with our department chair Nicole Okamoto a couple days ago for another purpose, and they're around 13% for women in their program. So we still, if you're out there and you're thinking about mechanical engineering and you're a woman, we want you. So we, I had one of our male mechanical engineering alums who's working on a fitness product that's got robotics and it's targeted towards a female customer base, for example. And he says, where are the women mechanical engineers? Because we need your lived experience to help do product design. So, but if you go to other majors like biomedical engineering, it's more like 50-50. So the whole spectrum, but we have lots of different opportunities. So if you are in mechanical engineering, but then you're involved with our sorority for women engineers or with the Society of Women Engineers, you can actually spend a lot of your time in meetings and activities with our other women students in different programs to help kind of get that more critical mass feeling. I don't know if you want to add more to that, Ginny.
I was just going to say, overall, I think our undergraduate programs are 20% women, and we have about 30% women in our graduate programs. We do have our Women in Engineering conference every March as well, and that is a good way to connect with your fellow women colleagues.
Yeah, and then the other interesting thing is that we're about 1/3 women faculty, and so I think that, you know, when you go through your time, at least in the classes, you'll see lots of women around you that you can ask questions of and get advice from, etc. So lots of different support, and so we're hoping if you're there, you're a woman, you want to do engineering at San Jose State, we'd love to see you. All right.
Oh, let me take that one about the Humanities Honors Program.
Yeah.
Yes, that is a fantastic program. If you like humanities, it's a way to meet all of your lower division general education requirements, taking this class, which is 6 units every semester for your first 2 years. So yeah, take a look at that if you're interested in it. There are some inefficiencies getting through our programs in the least amount of units, but definitely I think I've heard great things about that program, and I would sign up if you are interested.
Yeah, so we don't have an engineering-wide honors program. There's a question about that. So there's nothing to necessarily apply for. I think that there's lots of ways to distinguish yourself as an engineering student. So, you know, there's ways to, again, be parts of really great contest teams or be active in clubs, you know, obviously doing well with your grades. But we don't have an engineering-wide honors program.
Aviation has an honors program. So that one major does. Yeah.
Yeah. So one of our actually non-engineering programs within engineering. Yeah, so a great question about, is there a BS plus 1 year to get an MS program? So we have the first one, I think, is coming through with biomedical engineering, and then we have a couple more that are in the queue. One, we're working to finalize how many courses can be double counted for both the undergraduate and the graduate program, because that's the advantage. I think the current thought is that we should be able to double count about 3 classes, and that would enable you to do that. For biomedical engineering, it is advantageous to have an advanced degree, and so I think that's going to be a good program. And then for the other ones as well. Okay, so there's a question about the Silicon Valley scholarship. Maybe Jenny, can you take that one?
Oh yeah, let me see if I can find it. Could you read it for me, please? I don't see it.
Yeah, so where did it go? Oh, can you talk more about the Silicon Valley scholarship and how to apply?
Oh, yeah, sure. So the scholarship applications go out around the end of February. We do send them to all of our newly admitted students, as well as to all of our continuing students. We do have about $1.8 million of endowments that fund that program, in addition to about $95,000 a year in expendable funds. So we can support between 20 and 30 scholars every year. Yeah, I think you just need to keep your eyes open for that if you are interested. It's posted on our website, goes out in our student newsletters, and it does get emailed to all of our admitted students as well.
Right, and then there's a question about general education course for engineering students to take or register in preparation for their major. And this was asking about aviation. So when you meet with your advisor during the orientation, you'll go over that. We also post what we call our roadmaps on the web. So if you look up the aviation 4-year roadmap, you'll see the listing of the courses semester by semester. Oh, a great question, Adil. What kind of company recruitment events happen on campus? So right now they're all happening virtually, but they're definitely happening. And so there's a lot of different ways. We do have big career fairs twice a year. That's one way to interact with companies. But we also have companies will come and host open info sessions through our Career Center. They will come and speak at student club events. They will sometimes come and speak as guest speakers in classes. We run a Silicon Valley Leaders Symposium, which brings in anywhere from 6 to 8 leaders from our local industry to talk about either some combination of their career story themselves, their life journey, as well as about their company or their institution, for example, from NASA. So there's a lot of different ways to interact with companies.
Okay, so here's a question. Yeah. Are there counselors / clubs in BME to help for pre-med? I honestly don't know, and I don't think so, but why don't you go to there?
We have a campus pre-med advisor. So if you're interested in doing BME as a pre-med pathway, then it would be important to talk with the pre-med advisor. And I think they're based in our College of Science, which does have the bulk of our pre-med students. I would give a shout out to anybody who wants to do this though, because I think engineering is a really great prep for pre-med. It's not as common on our campus.
Let's see. Is aviation usually full? Is it easy to transfer into? Yeah, I would say so. It's relatively easy. So please explore that if you're interested.
Okay, and then there's, okay, I'm seeing a lot of aviation specific questions. So again, it's really going to be important to go to the aviation question and direct those, the aviation session to direct those there.
Yeah, great idea.
Yeah, great to see so much interest in the program. All right, and then how do you identify which courses you can take in community college in the summer for credit? That's an interesting question if students are taking classes in the summer at the time they're going through orientation. You want to touch that, Jenny?
Yeah, so if you're a transfer student, sometimes when you do meet your department advisor for major advising in May, they will suggest that you consider taking a class that summer, just so that you're on track for some semester when you get here in the fall. So that definitely does happen here. For freshmen, we don't really expect you to take additional classes in the summer, although if you are up to taking that pre-calculus equivalent class, it really could get you on the path to starting calculus right when you get here. So definitely something to consider. I mean, why don't you go to that Engineering Student Success Center presentation and ask about that in the advising sessions.
All right, so somebody has a question, if you're done with all the math courses, what's the time frame? So that's, I'm assuming that would apply to somebody who may be transferring in. So then it gets to the question about what is the prerequisite chain for the department, the major specific courses. And so that would be really important to sit down with an advisor. So if you are able to have taken the undergraduate lower division engineering courses as a transfer student at your community college, it could be as simple as just 4 semesters remaining to graduate. But if not, if there's still some classes out besides math that you need to take for your major, that might take a little bit longer.
Let's see, do you need an internship or co-op to graduate? No, you do not. But I know that multiple majors can give you academic units for doing an internship or co-op, and that will count towards your degree.
Okay, so how effective are the job fairs? And then are the internships fairly common? So again, I think the internships are common. We really would, we're really trying to encourage our students to be even more proactive about looking for them. The big job fairs happen twice a year. I think they're great in a sense of being able to learn about the different companies in a really concentrated way because they're over just a few days and there's a lot of companies that participate, but it's not effective to only go to the job fairs. You have to, I think, take more proactive effort beyond that as well.
Yeah, there's a really nice software that the Career Center employs called Handshake. And it will basically automatically send you emails when there are job postings that match your qualifications and what you're looking for. So I would highly recommend that you meet with a career counselor and get yourself set up in there.
Okay, so for folks interested in checking out some of the other sessions, we did put a link in the chat from Sanella Latex Scripic at 12:08, and that shows all the links to the other sessions. So again, the major specific questions, I think it's best to try to take your questions to talk to the professors and the advisors in those sessions. Oh, somebody wants to know about the senior design project. So this, I'll just talk about it generally. So for all of our majors, there's some kind of a capstone experience. This is really required for our accreditation, but it's also just part of what our engineers do. And so in that case, you'll have an experience in civil engineering. It's a little bit more focused around a specific subject to get the coverage of the subject that they need, which I think is concrete. But in other majors, it's much more open-ended. So in mechanical engineering, students can envision a project themselves and then go and design and build and evaluate it. And so every engineering discipline will have some kind of senior design project, even software engineering. And so our software engineering folks will write code, or there may be some combination of software and hardware that they work on.
Maybe for all the class-specific questions, we can recommend that you attend the Engineering Student Success Center advising session. Should we do that? Just so that maybe we can
we got to keep moving. Okay, so here's a really interesting one. So how prominent is the startup culture as well as internships for various companies? So we've talked about internships, but let me talk about the startup culture. So we do, it's interesting, we are in the original Silicon Valley. We're not at some other university trying to create a Silicon Valley around it that doesn't exist. But the university hadn't really had a startup culture until a few years ago, and students started it. So the students started the startup culture. And so we have something called the Ideas Club, which is a club that's open to students from any part of campus. And then they do some entrepreneurship education that's extracurricular in the club. And there's also opportunities to learn about it within our curriculum. And then we've got ways to, when students have an idea for a company, we've got pitch contests and ways to hook students up to mentors and all of that to help student entrepreneurship. So we're really excited about being able to grow that.
We have about 4 minutes before the next presentation.
Oh, okay. Is there a way to get more information about hackathons? I would just suggest to look up the SJ Hacks site. And so this is student driven, and they seem to find out about regional hackathons. And then even because so much is virtual, they've got information about other hackathons you can participate in that are further away remotely. And we also, like Lisa says, we promote them on our social media channels. Let's see, information about NASA AIM. So we do have a lot of different interactions with NASA. So we have ways where students can work with faculty on NASA projects. We have students that work, for example, on building CubeSats. But there's also other ways that students can work on different aspects of research with NASA. We have one group of professors that got funding to study, I think they're studying challenges around blood clots in low gravity environments or something to that effect. And that's a NASA funded project that's not related to CubeSats. And then we also have a program that's small, but we hope to grow it, where students can just have essentially a year-round internship with NASA out of the aeronautics division, again, championed by one of our alum. Ooh, what program or major would be best for an aspiring inventor? I would say the interdisciplinary engineering program, the general engineering bachelor's degree, because again, you can get the business focus and then you could choose a discipline specific thing within there, or you could just pick 2 different disciplines. We were getting a lot of feedback from our industry advisory board that there's a need for more generalist type of engineers at the undergraduate level that aren't as specialized. And so that was the driver for creating that program.
Oh, here's a question. Do San Jose State undergraduate students get priority for the graduate program? I don't know if we can say they get priority, but we definitely want to encourage you to apply and get into our graduate programs.
Yeah, definitely. A question about are all of our engineering majors Abet accredited? So the answer to that is yes. We're really proud of that. We have 2 majors that are subject to different accrediting or certification organizations. And so our technology, our industrial technology department is accredited through ATME, I think it is. I can't remember what the acronym is.
ATME, yeah.
Yeah. And then our aviation is working on the Part 141 certification.
Oh, and interdisciplinary engineering is currently not accredited, but we're working on it.
Yeah. So it's been set up so that we can apply for accreditation in the next cycle. Okay, so I know we're just about at time. Maybe Sanella, could you repost the link for all the other sessions so that students can get an idea where they would want to go next?
Yes, I'll put it in the chat.
Okay, great. And so I know we weren't able to get to everyone's questions, but hopefully we were able to give a lot of general information. And then if you've got time today to go to some of the other sessions to learn more about our programs at San Jose State, we hope you'll take advantage of that. We really look forward to seeing you come. I think there's so many challenges we've all been facing, everyone in different ways, and some may be ways in common over the past year. And we're looking forward to, trying to move to whatever we do next, hopefully lots more in-person activities so we can interact with each other and interact in the classroom and interact with our clubs. And we hope that you'll be part of our Spartan engineering community come fall.
Thank you all for joining us.
We're getting lots of thanks in the chat.
Yeah, no, and yeah, thank you for coming. It's just so important.
I'm going to stop recording.
All right, thanks.